Hey everyone, this is Ash Shukla, and I just wanted to give you a brief overview as to what the eCFO is, how does it work, and how does it help you particularly. Well, let's go into it real quick. The eCFO is basically an online system which can be utilized on your through your smartphone, your iPhone devices, through your any mobile device, and it's a website where we give you your own personal access to a website which gives you your total dashboard of your financial situation. Whether you are a high net worth individual who has a lot of money and who has all these statements coming in, who has all all the things all over the place, such as 401k, 403b, IRAs, Roth IRAs, SEP IRAs, non-qualified accounts, qualified accounts, your checking, saving, money market, your life insurance, your annuities, your long-term care insurance, disability insurance, any kind of insurances, or any types of assets and liabilities you want to manage. It's a dashboard which helps you manage all and every single aspect of financial matters. It not only helps you put together information in a one dashboard, but it also helps those who want to plan for their future, those who wants to have their budget set automatically so they don't have to go through the gruesome process of setting up budgets. For those who want to control their spending, who want to take control of their lives, who want to go ahead and get rid of all the pile of bills, all the garbage that's on their desk, and really clean it up and have it nice and neat layout where you have everything in one place. This software, this particular platform that we have built, is truly there to help individuals and business owners. Many of the times individuals are using it as a dashboard to plan, to not only take a look at their current situation but also their future, like exactly how to plan for the future. We have had people who have used this system and reported that they are now, because of they are aware of their spendings, because they can see the details, they are saving over $1,600 per month. We have people business owners who are using this system, solopreneurs, entrepreneurs, who is using this system, are reporting that they are saving thousands of dollars, if not hundreds of dollars, on their current from their current spendings, because they are totally aware of what's going on. I have had reports where people have been telling me that, hey Ash, we are utilizing this system in a way, and it is so effective that it's actually helping me make proper financial decisions, and I'm not just making decision on from seat of my pants, because I know what's going on. I can make the decision that is good for me and my family. We have had offered this system into universities, into colleges. We have offered this system into doctors' offices. We have offered this system into what do you call this, private schools, right? If we have offered this system, we have put this into IT companies. I mean, the companies all over are utilizing this as an employee benefit package on top of just their regular employee. Because think about it, if you have this system in your company, implemented, and we can save, let's say, $500 a month. How much more benefits benefit companies can take advantage? I mean, how much more benefit employees can take? I mean, think about it, right? They may not be able to afford right now, maybe a dental insurance, or maybe their eye insurance. Maybe they cannot afford some other things that they would love to have. Now, because we are freeing up $500 a month, $1,000 a month, $1,600 a month, they can take that money and put it not only towards their benefit, but also put it towards their 401ks, and increase contributions towards 401ks. That's why we have built this system, to help you gain total control. So let's go through this system real quick so you can get full control, full understanding of what's going on. But first and foremost, this system is a dashboard, as I told you before, and it has, right at the top. If you look at this here from the top, you have organizer section from here. You can organize from here, or you can or you navigate through here. Both of these places you can navigate from. My contact information is right here. Our contact information is right here. You can contact us anytime with any questions that you may have. Now, first and foremost, this system gives you your assets minus liability, which is your net worth. Every single day is updated, but every single night. Second, it has all your investments. Now I know this is a sample client, so it's not much of investments here. But if you have 401k, 403b, retirement accounts, IRAs, Roth IRAs, non-qualified accounts, qualified accounts, anything that you may have, that's all right here. It gives you global asset allocation. Now we'll get through that in a minute. It's got accounts, your cash, credit card, investments, life insurance, auto insurance, your your health insurance, your disability insurance, everything is right here. Okay, your loans, any kind of loans, mortgages, your credit cards, maybe you borrowed a home equity loan, or you did some sort of a car loan, something like that. It's all right here. Or of course it has property such as your business. It could be a property, it could be your property is your house, maybe you own rental properties, maybe you own other things all over the place. That's all right here. It gives you, if you have a tour guide, her name is Danny, you are always welcome to click on her and she will give you a tour of the system. Other thing, you have mobile site where you can carry it with you. You have mail. We have digital mail through Zoombox. It's all included in here at no cost to you. All you have to do is go to zoombox.com, sign up for the free account, and it will import all your mail in here digitally. So now you don't have to hunt for statements anymore. You don't have to have binders all over the place, sitting around and trying to figure out exactly how to store all your mail, or how to figure everything. It's all at your fingertips. Okay, last but not least, it also can track your award points, such as your credit card award points, reward points, and so forth. Now let's go through this system in details. Organizer. First and foremost, anytime somebody comes on board, usually we take them through a very simple step-by-step process. Okay, so you can add your accounts through here, or you can go to organizer. I suggest you go to organizer and go down the list. Okay, so first and foremost, we tell our clients, go down the list. Our clients, usually it's as simple as here accounts. You hit accounts, you click on it. Once you click on that accounts, this pops up, and it's very, very simple. You go in here, you hit add. Okay, once you hit add, you can put in your bank, whatever it is. Let's just say that for the sake of argument, it is SunTrust. Okay, you can just type in few words, or you can drag and drop a URL straight in here. Once you do that, it pops up your particular financial institution that you may be with. You click on it, and it pops up a window. Asks you for username and password. You put that in, and it automatically imports all your data every single night. Once you do it, you never have to do it again. You can add insurance. You can see right here. You can add other accounts. If sometimes you may need to add other accounts, so they're all right here, which is perfectly fine. I'll go into details a little later, but just this is an overview for you to understand. Okay, second portion, this is your real estate, your property, your business, and your anything that you own that is outside, that gets entered right here with the current value. Okay, third, you got your all your kids, your grandkids, your everybody is right here. You can input them right in here. Third, you got your all your advisors. You got your financial advisor. You got your CPA or your estate planning attorney. All that goes right here. Third, fourth, you have income and expense section. Income and expense section, basically, it gives you the details, but you can also set, we recommend do not set these, especially expense section, do not set them by yourself, like physically, because we have a section where you can do it automatically. You don't have to worry about this at all. It's got income section in here. You put in income and you're good to go. Last, you also have your retirement, your education, your major expenses, all right in here. You can also set financial priorities, okay, in any way you like. You can go up and down, you can delete, take them out, put them back in, whatever you want. You can do it through here. This also has your total risk tolerance. Once you put this in here, it will remember it and it will help you do global asset allocation. It will tell you whether you're on track, you're off track, and then you can make adjustments based on where you are. It has workshops. If you have any questions about anything whatsoever, it has education center and workshops. Both of these places, they pretty much are a little bit similar but not the same. Now, once more enhanced, so it has different looks to it a little bit, okay? So this is your education center, your investment planning. Anything and everything you want to know about investments is right here. You are looking at, so anything and everything you're looking at on the on your financial matters is right here. When you go into investments, click on investments right here, and you got yourself a winner. Right here you see that you have your investment planning basic, understanding your investment terms, dollar cost averaging, understanding risk, asset allocation, mutual fund basics, taxation, investing in major financial goals, closing retirement income gap, annuity basics. Anything you want to know is right here, and it has booklets right here for you to understand. Let's say that you want to understand about insurances. No problem. You got that right here. Life insurance, health insurance, disability, homeowners, long-term care, auto insurance, and general insurance topics. They are right here. If you click on it, it will go a little bit further, and now it will explain to you what all these things mean in terms of life insurance basics. Do you need it? And what type of life insurance policies? Term, cash value, term versus cash value, traditional whole life. How does cash value life insurance work? How much insurance do you need? Companies, life insurance, comparing life insurance policy, deciding benefits. I mean, everything is right here. Now, let's say that you want to have a little bit further information about health insurance. As you know, that health insurance is a big, health care reform is a big issue. Comparing health insurance plans, understanding your health insurance, medical payments, and so forth is all right here in your workshops and education center. Furthermore, from workshops, you can also plan for your retirement, for your kids' education, for your goals. Okay, so let's just say that you have a child who is going to go to college. When they are going to go to college, you just put in the name of the college right here. So let's just say University of Maryland. Boom. You click that. You put that in here. It will give you. Okay, it gives you University of Maryland, in-state, out-of-state. Okay, and it tells you how much would that college cost you right here. Now, if you want to plan for that, no problem. You can set up your own strategy. You can go annual outside, existing savings. You can set your goals and you can put your strategy together. All right, you can put together the rest and it will keep track for you right from the get-go. Now, let's go into your workshop section one more time, and you will also see your retirement savings, your family, is your family like insurances and so forth, estate planning, education planning, government benefits, insurance planning, investment planning, personal finance, retirement planning, and special situation is right here. Spending section, which is a phenomenal tool. In the spending section, you have your budget, your transactions, all right here. The beauty is that you no longer have to do budgeting yourself, because not only you can see, like for instance, in this case, you see business expense, you see all whole bunch of personal expenses right here, and these are all individualized, so you can drill down inside of them and see what transactions occur, which I'll share with you in a second. But if you want to see, let's say, what are the business expenses, you click on that section, it will open it up for you, and you can view related transactions. You can view them by transaction by transaction. There is no guesswork in this system whatsoever. Okay, for then you got budgeting. In the budgeting section, I know that 90% of the people do not have a budget, and when they do get a budget, they can't stick to it because they it goes up and down. It's it really it changes. So in this section, what we have done is you can set auto budget. When you click auto budget, it will look at past 2 months of your spendings and will tell you what the budget should be. And then you come in here and make some minor adjustments that you need to make, by going here and just changing some figures. And it will tell you whether you are on track, you're off track, you are spending more than you're making, and all these things. Whatever you have budgeted for is all right here. You can add more budget items, you can change the categories of these particular transactions, or let's just say that you are viewing this particular transaction right here, auto and transport, and let's just say that you want to change this Costco thing. You can just go in here and it will tell you exactly what you insure, like what, how, where does it belong. You can change that as you like. You go in a little bit more detail and you can give it a specific rule so you can manage it per your rule. Okay, so this is how detailed this is. Your investment section has everything: your 401ks, your IRAs, your Roth IRAs, non-qualified accounts, qualified accounts, annuities, your everything. It goes right here, and you can add, you can see right here, everything is right there. Okay, then you got in here your asset allocation. It gives you global asset allocation. It's not a local, just like you may get a 401k statement or IRA statement or everything. It has their own asset allocations, but now this has a global asset allocation, and it will tell you whether you're on track or you're off track as far as your total asset allocation is concerned, based on your risk tolerance that you answer in the organizer section. Analysis, it will tell you what's going on with your portfolio. It will also give you transaction details that you need to have. Like if you are looking at this right here, there are some fees that are associated with this, and you know what, if it bothers you, you can discuss it over. You can do things that you need to do in order for you to make the intelligent decision that's good for you. It has a vault section. Inside of the vault, you can put all kinds of documents in here. Like let's just say you want to put you can put in here, let's just say that you want to create a folder, and you want to put it, say this is for taxes. Okay, and you want to create another folder, and this is for your insurance. You can say, you can do a couple of things as far as insurance, right? Like you may want to put in a couple of pages of insurance policies. You may want to store your will and trust, right? And trust documents. Okay, you may want to store other things such as your birth certificates, right? Okay, you might want to store birth certificates. You might want to store your social security. How about that? Okay, you might want to store social security cards. You might want to store even your passports. How about that? You can store all of this right here at your fingertips. Okay, now of course it has a report section where it gives you reports, detailed reports of your balance sheets, your income statements. So this is your balance sheet right here. Okay, then you have your your assets, your cash flow, asset allocation, life insurance summary, assets, and everything is right here at your fingertips. This is what this program does. Of course, this has a mail section, which is a nowadays, instead of having pile of mail all over your desk, you can have your mail come right here through Zoombox, and it will bring it all in here, so you don't have to carry paper mail anymore. Of course. So now the question is, how do you import all this information? It's very simple. You can go to home or go to organizer section, hit add as I showed you before, put in the institution name, and you are at that point in time, you put in name and name of the institution, or copy and paste the URL from the institution, and you are finished, my friend. The E CFO, it is so powerful. that not only you can plan for your future, not only you can plan your retirement, not only you can plan for your kids' education, but also keep track of everything you have, your assets, your liabilities, your debts, your income, your expenses, you anything and everything you can imagine is right here. So my friends, make that intelligent decision. This is for you, if you whether your personal use, if you want to use it for your business use, if you even want to offer it, if you know somebody who could offer it as an employee benefit, you could also offer this as an employee benefit program. My friends, that's what the ECFO does. I want to say thank you so much for visiting, and I look forward to seeing you on the other side. Now, if you want to take advantage of this, just an FYI, if you want to take advantage of this, go here on the side, fill out the form that you would request more information, and I'll be happy to share with you, and go over with you a little bit more in detail as to how does the ECFO work. Thank you so much, and make today the best day of your life.